Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products with a critical eye and a touch of fun. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Clinique Chubby Stick Sculpting Contour, designed for all skin types. This is a cream contour stick that promises a matte finish with buildable coverage, and the shade we're testing is Curvy Contour. The stick format makes it convenient for on-the-go application, and Clinique has kept their classic focus on gentle, skin-friendly formulas. It's designed to sculpt and define facial features, offering a blendable product that doesn't feel heavy on the skin. The packaging is sleek and travel-friendly, with the twist-up mechanism ensuring minimal mess. Using it in my routine was straightforward. The cream texture glides smoothly on the skin, and the buildable formula allows you to layer for intensity without looking cakey. I tested it both on bare skin and over foundation, and it blended effortlessly with minimal patchiness. The matte finish is soft rather than flat, giving a natural contour effect. One thing to note is that on very fair skin, the Curvy Contour shade is moderately warm and may require careful blending to avoid harsh lines. Pros? It's easy to apply, portable, and has a creamy texture that blends seamlessly. The matte finish is flattering for most skin types, and the buildable coverage lets you control intensity. Cons? For deeper skin tones, the shade selection may be limited, and while the stick is convenient, it's not as precise as a pencil or brush for very detailed sculpting. In terms of value, the Clinique Chubby Stick is priced at a mid-range level for a cream contour, and I'd say the quality justifies the cost. It's durable, hygienic due to the stick format, and versatile enough for quick daytime contouring or a more defined evening look. Compared to other cream contours I've tried, it's exceptionally user-friendly, though brands like Fenty Beauty or NYX offer a wider shade range if you need something more specific. The build quality of the stick itself is sturdy, and the product maintains its consistency over time without drying out or separating. Clinique has a solid reputation for customer support, so any inquiries or issues should be handled efficiently. If you're looking for a cream contour that's fuss-free, blendable, and gentle on the skin, the Clinique Chubby Stick is a strong contender. It's especially suited for those who prefer a natural, soft matte finish with control over coverage. Is this review? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the Chubby Stick Sculpting Contour yourself, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. You can find the purchase link in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.